Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you a website called the Chrome Music Lab. It's actually musiclab.com, chromeexperiments.com. So this is a really cool website for elementary school music classes that a lot of music teachers use. There are tons of different resources that you can use for your classroom, some being the chords. Let me click on that. This basically just plays out chords based on what note you play on the piano, and it actually lights up each note that is incorporated in each chord, so that if you wanted to take it to the piano yourself, you could follow along. That's going to be great for when you're teaching things like chords and arpeggios, things like that. Another cool thing is for maybe when you're having free time in the music classroom, you can allow students to write their names and then hear how it sounds. It's just something cool that the website offers. That would be a cool project that you might have your students do. Another cool thing that a lot of students love is the song maker, and a lot of teachers incorporate this in songwriting lessons and things like that. Each square is a different note. And then, you can touch different squares and then play it back. A lot of teachers use this for teaching rhythm and beat. They want students to make a beat or make a clear rhythm with their music and their songs. Another cool thing about this website is that you can use a shared piano where it will create a classroom, and you can either send the link out to all your students, or you can post it on a slide PowerPoint and they can click it themselves, and all your students are going to be able to use the piano at the same time, so your emoji will be different for each student and they can all use the piano at different times. This is great for distance learning, as well as learning when there might be a snow day or something like that. So that's really cool. And there are a lot of cool features that students love to use. Another thing that teachers might like is the sound waves. It shows the sound waves for each note on the piano and how different they might be. So yeah, the website is called Chrome Music Lab, and it's a cool website that I think a lot of music teachers would really enjoy.